Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to see tweets on Twitter, only way. Open the Twitter app or website and sign in to your account. Then use the search bar to find profiles, hashtags, or keywords and tap latest for a chronological view. I will also demonstrate saving searches, creating lists, and adjusting timeline settings so you can quickly and reliably see the tweets you want every time. Start by following accounts that interest you and removing distractions with mute or block features. Use lists to organize accounts by topic so you can switch to a focused timeline instantly. Turn on notifications for key accounts to catch important tweets as they post. I'll guide you through managing muted words and how to maintain a clean chronological feed across your devices in a friendly, easy way. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction to keep crumbs and pet hair at bay. It maneuvers under furniture with 3.5 inches clearance so cleaning stays hands-free while you browse. Check the description for deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use advanced search to pinpoint tweets with date ranges, exact phrases, or specific accounts. Combine operators like from, to, since, and until to craft precise queries that return only relevant tweets. Save your frequent searches and export lists when you need repeat access for research or monitoring. I'll show sample search strings and walk through step-by-step examples so you can copy them and find any tweet easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.